Good evening, my friends, my follower, my old friends, old investor as well as the new investors. Myself, Ratan Gangubadya will speak about not the bottoming out of market, but the topping up of markets. Now, what is topping up? Topping up means you topped and from there you slide down. Now, it is very technical, mathematical only. Let me speak. If you go to the sensex, I will give one screenshot also later on. If you go to the sensex, then in sensex we will find out 14 industries. Now today is 30 December 2020. Tomorrow is the last date of the year and we are having markets. And day after tomorrow we are stepping into 2021. Now there are 14 industries in Sensex. Now the major industries, banking and finance, the stocks included into banking and finance, they are low. You have to understand. If you want to make money, you have to understand. The load into the Sensex is 32% plus, obviously. I take 32%. Now, the major industry into the Sensex out of 14, 1/4, we have. Next we have technology or tech stock. Now they are occupying 21 plus, obviously. So I say 21%. Now next major, oil and gas sector or industry. Today 15.32, so 15%. Now if we calculate, so very mathematics only, my friends, you have to learn that little bit mathematics, or you follow me, I will try to guide you. Have to learn, because this is in questions. Now if we add up 32, 2, 1, 3 plus 5, 8. 1 plus 2 is 3 plus 3 is 68. So that means out of 100, 68 or into 100 is equal to 68% of the Sensex loaded by banking, finance, tech stock and oil and gas. Now if we are strong enough, then the Sensex is strong enough and there are the less chances to break. Now today on the 30th December, today I will write down the date so you will remember. This was plus green, tech was red, oil and gas was green. That means 15 plus 32 is equal to 47. and this is 21 into 100, and we obviously recovered from the red zone into green zone. Now here we have to do little bit calculations. 2100 divided by 47. Now 1, 2, 3, 4 times. Here is, I have to find out the percentage. Here is 4 into 7, 28. 2 carry forward, 4 into 4, 16, 18. Now here is 2, here is 2 again, here is nothing. So 2, 2, 0. Again it is 44%. That means you were pulled towards danger by only 44%. If you are understanding this 50%, these three sectors, 50% is danger zone. Closing basis, 50% on the green sensex. If you for this result becomes more than 50%, then you are in danger zone. And obviously, more precisely, I will take this 50% plus I will take the other industry also to clarify myself whether are we in the danger zone. Sensex has moved lifetime high. Every day we are making money by trading, by shorting, by adding. Every day, every investor. रुपया आ गया बांटो, everybody will get. किसी को कम मिल गया, किसी को ज्यादा मिल गया, किसी को मिला नहीं, किसी को इतना मिल गया और आपने पार्टी दे दिया. You have to understand. This I found 50% plus, here is 44%. Above 50%, this red, these three are major. So red to green is 44%, less than 50%. So till now, no danger. Now 44% I will calculate. With whom? Let's see. 44%. This rate become more than 50% or at least towards or close to 50% is danger zone. When sensex is in green, you have to understand. Now the volatility will be there. Now, in case the sensex has gone down, then we should not calculate. Then we will calculate another thing. That is the sector at least in the green zone, not below the 10%. Not below the 10%. You have to understand. Now 44% I had rate out of this three. Now I will see how many industries are into sensex. 14 industry. Today we had closed up with 4 industry in red. So 10 is in the green zone into 100. Now this become 2 by 7, that is 200 divided by 7. Let me calculate. 200, 7, then 200, below 3, let's 2 only. So 14, 60, so 28 point something. So 56 and 40, 56.56. Now I calculate red zone. red zone, that is 4 sector went into the red out of 14. So if I compare this 28%, take it 5 6 take it 29% red zone. Now I will be calculating out of 14 only only 4 are in red zone. So 4 divided by 10 into 100, because 14 zone together, this is in green, out of green 4. I will take this also. Now here it's become 40%. So I will calculate 40% here on closing basis. Now this we are calculating the danger. Now here total danger is 3, total danger is 113. Now here I have calculated 3 ways. So divided by 3, and here is 3 3 is 9, here is 2 3, it is 7 1 something. Okay, so 38% approximate. Now today you are not in danger. So tomorrow you can relax. Market might go down, but you are not in danger. But if this is fall below 33 and 33%, that is fall below the 1/3, all you have to calculate mathematics, then you are gone. Obviously not in the sensex dip, you have to calculate into the when there is a volatility, that is some sensex industries are in green, somewhere are in the red. Now I will speak when all sensex are going down. Now that is also calculation there. So when there is no green and there is no mixtures, data are not omitting. Whenever the sensex is falling more than 2% in a single day, more than 2% fall, more than 2%, you are in danger. If next day again fall 2%, 2.5%, so you get the directions. Again sensex fall, registered for the day or for the sessions, you are fully in danger. Because more than 5% sensex broken. Now, if instead of fall, you are in recovery. Now 2 plus 2.5, 4.5 divided by 3. This. You because recover divided by 3. It is 1.5. If not very next day, but obviously next to next day or next to next day you get recovered and you are in safe zone. These all mathematics are calculated on the price movements from many years. Now friend, you have to understand, we are running comfortably every day. We are making money. But this cannot continue for longer term. But obviously might continue for January, February. That's all. Or very near to middle of March. Good night friends. I am only in favor of the retail investor, but retail investors, they make mistakes only. Institutionals, investors, API, DII and FII, they generally do not make mistake. FII already exceeded large cap. 40% large cap they have reduced their holding. Good night, friends. Next, I'll come over on the next year 2021. I'll try to guide you. If you like my lecture, if you want to listen, want to learn the real fact, then if you like me, put a like and subscribe me if you want to follow me and if you want to listen to me. If you want to love me in the pure word. Good night, friends.